In the next few minutes, what you are about to see are global facts to date on one of the biggest public health threats the world has ever faced: smoking. Allah says in the Quran, "Make not your own hands contribute to your destruction, nor kill yourselves." There are more than 1 billion smokers in the world. Globally, about 5.5 trillion cigarettes are produced each year. About 15 billion cigarettes are sold daily. That's about 10 million per minute. Smoking kills up to half of its users, on average of one person every 6 seconds. That's nearly 6 million people each year. More than 5 million of these deaths are a result of direct smoking, while more than 600,000 are a result of non-smokers being exposed to secondhand smoking, also known as passive smoking. The annual death could rise to more than 8 million by 2030. It is a risk factor for 6 of the 8 leading causes of deaths in the world. 100 million deaths were caused by tobacco in the 20th century. If current trends continue, there will also be 1 billion deaths in the 21st century. Between 80,000 and 100,000 children worldwide start smoking every day. In adults, secondhand smoke causes serious cardiovascular disease and respiratory diseases including coronary heart diseases and lung cancer. In infants, it causes sudden death. In pregnant women, it causes low birth weight and even child death. Almost half the world's children breathe air polluted by tobacco smoke. Passive smoking, also known as secondhand smoking, causes more than 600,000 premature deaths every year. Tobacco smoke contains chemicals that are harmful to both smokers and non-smokers. Breathing even a little tobacco smoke can be harmful. Up to half the current users will eventually die of smoking-related diseases. There are more than 4,000 chemicals in tobacco smoke, of which at least 250 are known to be harmful and more than 50 are known to cause cancer, including hydrogen cyanide, carbon monoxide and ammonia. At least 69 can cause cancer. These cancer-causing chemicals include the following: arsenic, benzene, beryllium, which is also known to be a toxic metal, 1,2,3-butadiene, a hazardous gas, cadmium, a toxic metal, chromium, a metallic element, ethylene oxide, nickel, polonium-210, which is also a radioactive chemical, and vinyl chloride. Other toxic chemicals in tobacco smoke are suspected to cause cancer, including the following: formaldehyde, benzoate-pyrene, and toluene. Smoking harms nearly every organ in the body and diminishes a person's overall health. Millions upon millions of people all around the world have health problems caused by smoking. Smoking is the leading cause of cancer and death. From cancer, it causes cancer of the lungs, esophagus, larynx, mouth, throat, kidney, bladder, pancreas, the stomach and cervix. Smoking also causes heart disease, stroke, aortic aneurysm, a balloon-like bulge in the artery in the chest, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, also known as COPD, chronic bronchitis and emphysema, asthma, hip fractures and cataracts. Smokers are at risk of developing pneumonia and other airway infections. Make not your own hands contribute to your destruction, nor kill yourselves.